guys, I'm just doing a YouTube video of Modern Combat Domination. It looks a lot like Call of Duty. It's a lot of fun. I think I'll play this a lot. I'm happy I got the demo. This is an awesome game. It's just really hard to play. Whoa! Kill your temper, dude. Ooh. Oh, wait, don't I already have it? Haha, I can shoot you with my pistol. Oh god! See, this is such a hard game though. You have to buy your secondary weapon, which is instead like machine gun now. This is your starting weapon. I'm level 1 because I just got the game. I have no idea what this game does. You have to buy frags. Stupid, now I'm gonna kill. Ow. This is very fun. Ow. God dang it. Oh, I want that. I want you one yet. Well, fun. Let's go. I got 500, so if I just leave this and get the M16. Oh no! And I almost killed him. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh. Let's do this. What the? Balls. Balls. Dumb. Balls. Bollocks. Balls. What the balls? Bang. God dang it. Everybody. Ooh, he's on down. Ooh. Let's go. Dun on spy. Dun 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 dun. Sorry. Ow! 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 Nice guy. Never. I have Modern Combat full game, both of them, on my iPhone. Oh, suck it. Oh, that's. Oh, sorry. I thought I already had it. Oh no, did I just like give ammo? Oh no, it's just a better aim, this one. God dang it! I like that! Oh my god, he's only using a pistol? What? What? How many guns are there? Okay. Let me go back to my gun. I want to get my MPS. No. 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 It's not fun. It's not good. I might want to do that. the grapple rat. Stop shooting. Aww. 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 Respawn allowed. Look, Frostbite. So you just punch in this game? Oh yeah, I'm punching you, I'm punching you, I'm punching you. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. It's only been like, how many minutes long? 2 minutes, that's okay. See, I got the trial, so let's just do it again. Because that was long enough. I had to delete my first video because my dad was talking and I kept telling them to shut up. They went. So we left the room because he was embarrassed. Because he's stupid. Oh, God. Modern Combat is the best game I've played since Call of Duty. It's actually not that good, so I'm gonna say it's as bad as the first. It's as bad as the first Call of Duty was. You know that game? How it was really crappy. That's how bad it was. That's how bad it was. Blue, 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 blue. You're just. We have to watch this guy now. I wanna be able to play. I wanna be able to play, 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 play. They won't let me play, 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 play. Why won't let me play? Let me play. For God's sakes. Just kill the guy. Is the enemy stupid? Kill. I'm stupid, now I'm gonna get you. Haha, I died. Ha! Ha! Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. What? 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 No! Wait, no. No. I'm not the only one against everyone, am I? Booyah, let's go! You only die! There we go, start over here. Oh, let's play. Let's play.